Welcome to my special calming tapping meditation. This is Deborah Lucero from liveyourfulllife.com. This is a wonderful calming meditation when you need a quick release and don't have a lot of time. In this tapping meditation, we will focus on releasing feelings of overwhelm during the holiday season. There's a lot of pressure right now in the business world to finish strong for the end of the year, or maybe you're trying to get everything in alignment so you can go on vacation and hang out with your family. Sometimes that's super stressful. People are pinched at the finances or they're worried about the elections. It is a very interesting time psychologically. This meditation is a special gift of sanity and clarity during the holiday season. You can pick one acupressure point to stimulate or start at the eyebrow point and move through as you repeat the statements out loud or to yourself. You can choose to close your eyes to add an extra level of relaxation and comfort to this technique. Find a place where you feel comfortable and safe. To begin, we will take a deep breath to calm the central nervous system. Say out loud or to yourself, I feel so overwhelmed during the holiday season. Now rate how true this feels on a scale of 1 to 10. Begin tapping at your own pace. Even though I feel so overwhelmed during the holiday season, I choose to embrace who I am and honor how I feel. Even though I feel so overwhelmed during the holiday season, I choose to embrace who I am and honor how I feel. Even though I feel so overwhelmed during the holiday season, I choose to embrace who I am and honor how I feel. This feeling of overwhelm has taken over my mind, body, soul, and spirit. I feel the same every year, which keeps me from enjoying my friends and family. Feeling overwhelmed makes me grouchy during the holiday season. Feeling overwhelmed has robbed me of my sanity. Feeling overwhelmed keeps me from finding clarity. Feeling overwhelmed has taken precious time away from me and my family. I don't know where to start, but I choose to embrace who I am. I don't know how to regain my sanity, but I choose to honor how I feel. I don't know how to find clarity again, but I choose to nurture my entire being. I feel so overwhelmed, but I choose to love my mind, body, soul, and spirit. I feel so overwhelmed, but I believe in a higher power to motivate me to choose to be calm. I deserve to give myself the gift of sanity this holiday season. I deserve to give myself the gift of clarity this holiday season. I choose to feel centered during this time. I choose to find peace during times of frustration by using this meditation anytime I need it. I am releasing the need to feel overwhelmed, knowing that this is just an old program. I am releasing the feeling of overwhelm to take back my sanity and my clarity. I am releasing the feeling of overwhelm to fully enjoy the holiday season this year. Take a deep breath. Release any feelings, thoughts, and events holding you back right now. Slowly open your eyes when you are ready. Say out loud or to yourself, I feel so overwhelmed during the holiday season. Now rate how you feel again. Did you have a shift in energy? Notice your new state of calm. You may feel the need to do more tapping. If so, please measure your level of overwhelm on a scale of 1 to 10 before and after each round of tapping until you find relief. A number below 5 is a good stopping point. From everyone here at Live Your Full Life, may you find the hope, the healing, and the peace.